Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over our new clearance markdowns and penny list information for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded our new coupons and glitches video earlier today, and man, do we have some fantastic deals. We've got freebies and overages, so if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, I also just want to go ahead and give everybody a quick reminder on our surprise penny list for all of those frozen food items. There are still stores out there that had those items marked at full price last week, so you guys need to be checking those today and tomorrow to see if those stores penny out this week. And as we all know, last week was an absolutely epic clearance and penny shopping week at Dollar General, and I did upload my haul video last Tuesday, so if you guys want to go and check out that video, I'm going to have that video as well as the other two videos with the surprise pennies and the new coupons and glitches. All those will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General. Now, y'all keep in mind that these clearance markdowns will start on Tuesday, May the 30th. Alright, so first up, we have gray diamond socks joining our clearance markdown list. These are going to be going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, May the 30th. Now, I do not have visuals ready for you all just yet, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications because they will be coming up here shortly. Alright, next up, we also have the Green Star socks joining our clearance markdown list, and these are going to be going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, May the 30th. Now, the same thing goes for this category. I haven't put together any visuals yet, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned. I'm actually going out of town again today for my grandmother's birthday, so we're going to run over there and see her, and I'm going to be stopping at a few Dollar General stores that I normally don't get to shop at, so hopefully I'll be able to get lots and lots of really awesome visuals. Alright, next up, we have the Mother's Day categories going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, May the 30th. So we have the Mother's Day socks, as well as the Mother's Day pop-up cards, as well as the Mother's Day seasonal items, all going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. So here's a quick look at all the Mother's Day items that I've been finding at my stores. So we've got the socks, we have a lot of seasonal items. I still haven't found the pop-up cards yet, but from what I know of in the past, those are usually in a standalone display up near the front, or sometimes they'll stick those kind of in the middle of an aisle. So just be on the lookout for those. Now, I also want to go ahead and remind everybody that there may be other Mother's Day items out there that I just simply don't have at my stores. Sometimes Dollar General will not send every single item that is included in a category to all of the stores. For instance, my stores hardly ever have those pop-up cards. So, y'all be on the lookout for those purple Mother's Day tags, and of course, scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register. Now, while we're taking a look at our last few items here, I do want to go ahead and give everybody a quick heads up that I am working on a yellow dot toy visual video for everybody. Those are currently sitting at 70% off, and like I said, today I am going out of town, so I'm going to be visiting some other Dollar General stores that I normally don't get to shop at. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to be able to find all of the categories and tons of pictures to share with you all. So, like I always say, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up for our new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General. So let's go ahead and talk about our penny list for this week. Now, unfortunately, we do not have a new penny list so far. Of course, if anything pops up, you guys will be the first to know. But keep in mind, just because we don't have a penny list doesn't mean that we can't go penny shopping. And last week was so epic. I literally went into the same store 3 times in one day, and I found penny items every single time that I went. So I am sure that there are still penny items out there to be found. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. We're going to keep this video short, sweet, and simple. But like I said, make sure that y'all stay tuned because we have some amazing deals going on at Dollar General this week. And I cannot wait to tell you all about them. So before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.